Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set unit time 16. So this is what it does is I'm gonna store the unsigned 16-bit integer at value at a specified offset from the start of the data view. So what that means, you need to create a buffer which will be a shared and creates a shared array buffer. So and array, use the array constructors or array buffer and pass the bits. It's here is 16. Then now what we're gonna do is var view and equals new data view and pass the buffer that which I created a variable. So now what I'm gonna do, not data view, view. So view set, what set you integer does is first you need to pass a number. It's the first. I'm gonna passing the first, and now I'm gonna pass the maximum unsigned 16-bit integer, which is 65535, and now log it on a console. The view dot by using the get uint method. So those who don't know, it's a method which goes hand in hand with the oh shit, I forgot to add 16. Yeah, 16-bit. That also works, but now we're gonna use 16 so that it can use the efficiency of the here it's JavaScript, but it's originally from the C programming. So when you do that, it's gonna give you return that because it's one, we need that. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.